Hey there, I'm Diana and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to check out what's inside my Stresa PM bag. I've had this one for a number of years and I really love this as a summer bag. It's kind of in between a tote and a satchel. You can see that it's a really good size and I wanted to share everything that was down inside. So here is the bottom and it has these great feet and it does a good job of being a little bit slouchy. If you've been around my channel, you know that I love kind of these slouchy bags that have a little bit of give to them, but it does retain its shape because it has this piping on the sides and it does keep its shape for when you set it down if it has a little bit of items in it. So the only thing about this is it does have this clasp, which does work here in the front, so clasp over. If you leave it unzipped, you can kind of stick your hand down in one side to get your things out, or you can just leave this open, which I honestly do a lot of times, and you can just tuck it down inside. But this is a really great size. So I do have a regular iPad that we're going to put down inside so you can kind of see what this looks like. And this is a good like everyday size, or if you're going to be going into work, where you can fit all of your essentials and then just a little bit extra. So you can see I just have kind of my daily essentials down on the inside. I've got just a small wallet that I'm using right now, my phone, just a couple lip glosses down inside there in one of the pockets. There is my sunglass case. There is a card case in the vernis. I still love the violet. My AirPods. And then I have just a scarf down in the bottom that I like to tie on there a lot of times if I'm wearing something purple. And then just a face powder is what that is. So I just have kind of the basics to go down inside, something that I would put in pretty much any size of purse. But I wanted to show you how good of a size that the Stresa PM, even though it's the PM size, it actually is quite large. It's about the same size as the Montorgueil GM size. When I had that bag, I'll put some of the videos down below. They're about the same size. So actually you can fit quite a lot of items in there. So this is a regular size iPad. You can see with it unzipped all the way from side to side, it slides down in there just fine, and this fits over the top of the iPad just fine as well too. So an iPad, a mini iPad, it will fit all of those things quite comfortably. A large book if you wanted to take a book on a train or wherever you were headed in the car, etc. The only thing it really wouldn't fit is like a MacBook. It's not big enough for like a 13-inch MacBook Pro. But other than that, for daily essentials, for using it as a purse and using it for just kind of these basic items that I would consider my essentials, it's the perfect size for that. So I'm going to load it back up here with everything that I am using right now. I'm just going to toss those down inside. And I wanted to share this one because I think I shared it right after I got it, but I never really shared what a good size it was and how comfortable it was to carry this. So the straps are quite long. You can easily fit it over your shoulder, even if you're wearing like a denim jacket and that sort of thing. And I'll share wearing this coming up in a video with just some summer outfits and things like that. So this has been a great addition to my summer handbag collection, and this is one that gets quite a bit of use whenever it is a little bit warmer outside. So I'll be sharing some of my other summer purses and some of the other items that I have in rotation right now coming up in another video. And thanks for watching. Have a great day.